Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjul Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $12 for absolutely free, and you can withdraw money in this app via PayPal, Payer, Gcash, Dana and Airtel. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Now let's go to the video. This app name is Lucky App. First we need to open the app. You also need to log into this app first. Click here and log into this app through your private Google account. I will first show you my previous withdrawal. Now you must have got some confidence about this app. Now let's see the ways to earn money from this app. First, find master. Here click start game, and after the game starts, click on the display as much as possible. Then you can get points for the amount you clicked by watching an ad. Let's do it again. Okay, now you know how to make money from this. Okay, now you know how to make money from this. Let's move on the next one. Next, idle marriage zoo. Is this game you have to level up by marrying the same animals as I do. You get points for each level you complete, and if you like, you can double these points by watching an ad. Okay, next, Fishing Master. In this game, all you have to do is touch the display. The line at the top is 100%. Okay, let's open this box after watching an ad. I have received 15 points. Next, remember it. They say you have 5 seconds to remember the image. Click OK and let's move on. Now you probably understand how to play this game. They tell us that we have 5 seconds to remember the image and click on the same image sequence. I am now doubling my coins by watching an ad. You can do that same. You can also play a very popular game like Puzzle and T-Block and collect points every day. Now the next one is the method where I earn the most points. That is by downloading a gaming app. You have to download this given app and log into this app with the same Google account that you logged into and play the game. You can easily get the point you are looking for in this app. In addition, as ways to earn coins, daily check-in. I have received 200 coins. You can earn money by spinning this wheel 25 times a day, and you can open the box. All of this can be done by watching an ad. No additional knowledge is required. Next, invite friends. If someone log into this app through your link, you will get 200 coins and 20% commission on the coins they earn. You can also get 200 coins for free by logging into this app using the link in the description below. Withdraw. You can withdraw the money you earn through PayPal, Gcash, Payer, Dana and Airtel. PayPal charges 0.55 for 10,000 coins, and all other methods charges 0.55 for 11,000 coins. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. and with the hope of seeing you in another video. I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.